10th World Pharmacist Day to everyone. Transforming Global Health is a 2028 Pharmacist Day theme. Is an initiative to improve the state of healthcare globally. As a pharmacist, our mission and vision is always to protect, care, maintain, manage, perform, handle, serve and improve the healthcare globally.
On the vision of World Pharmacist Day and its theme, that is transforming global health, we as a pharmacist are here to convey that one should always manage its health information and handle it properly.
As now, the world is suffering from pandemic COVID-19 and all the health workers on COVID-19 frontline for public healthcare and to men.
The best and sufficient pharmacy within your own system, as per advisory and guidelines from Government of India and Ministry of Health. This pandemic, one can manage her or his life at home with only symptomatic control, medication and with proper care.
Prevention is always better than cure. As a pharmacist, we would like to brief some aspect to boost immunity. As we pharmacists always believe sharing is caring.
Here we talking about few other aspects which will enhance your immunity and speed recovery if suffering. This Pharmacist Day led boost immunity globally.
First and foremost is that do proper rest but maintain your daily healthy routine and activity. In that you should have all the nutrients like crystals, fruit and protein.
Fruits which are rich in vitamin C like citrus fruit and seasonal fruits can be very helpful for immunity boosting and recovery.
Strengthen your immunity with daily consumption of herbs like moringa, tulsi, neem, ashwagandha, ginger, garlic, black cumin, as they are rich in calcium, potassium, iron and have numerous properties like antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral and antioxidants.
Home workout exercise like rope skipping, push-up, meditation, yoga and another best and natural way to flushing out toxins from the body through sweat.
Staying hydrated with add 10 glasses of water. In case we can include coconut water. Every day is best way to promote immunity.
Sleeping well at least 7 to 4 hours is one of the best way increase the immunity for COVID-19.
Anything that is the challenging to your lungs is going to work in the wrong direction. So avoid it smoking, vaping and alcohol consumption.
Mental health is equally important in COVID-19 infection. For a speed recovery, please do not panic. That is the worst you can do. Do not panic at all and be always kind, conscious and aware towards health.
We are the pharmacists.
The right pharmacy is right here, the pharmacy that never breaks your trust.
To enter someone's heart, that is called living.
This Pharmacist Day boosts immunity globally.